Hi friends, Simit here from informedtrades.com. In this video I want to talk about binary options and the argument for why it's not really a legitimate investment class or a legitimate instrument for trading like other assets are. Key points, what it really boils down to is binary options have a real betting-like structure. They don't have the sophisticated risk-reward controls that you can find in forex, stocks, futures, or conventional options. So risk management is really, a huge part of what separates, just random gambling from, a serious and responsible trader or speculator. Binary options really doesn't give you the tools for risk management. That's sort of at the heart of why it's an inferior or not really a legitimate trading instrument. How binary options work, the advantage and sort of why it's appealing and why it's growing in a lot of ways is that it's very simple to understand. It's just a pure bet. If the price of something is going to reach a specified strike price at a given point in time, you can bet yes, it will reach that point. Yes, it will reach price X by tomorrow, and if it does, you get paid. If not, you lose what you put down. So that's the basic thing. On the screen right now, you can see, betting on the exchange rate between the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar. If it reaches 80.84 by the following day, there'll be a 73% return. So if you were to bet $100 on this, you would make $73 in profit. Of course, if it doesn't reach that price, then you lose $100. So already right there, you can sort of see it's not really a favorable risk reward. And it's a very, there's no stop loss or anything, no moving to break even, which is a huge part of its lack of risk management that you can find in other instruments. Okay, and to illustrate, when you're placing an order in forex or futures or stocks, you can sort of, in many instances, you can specify the price you want to enter at, with a limit order or a stop order. Maybe it won't get filled, but you have control over that. You can specify, in this area, a stop loss, identifying how much risk you want to take profit. You can set the order to expire if it's a limit or a stop order. If the price doesn't go there, the order won't get filled. But especially with stops and limits for taking profit and limiting loss, that gives you a lot more options in terms of setting a risk reward that you want based on how price is moving. You really don't have that in binary options. As the name suggests, binary, it's very just either or. It's you place your bet and you're either going to get the fixed payout or you're going to lose what you bet. Real markets enable risk management. So for instance, using this chart on the screen right now, enables real technical analysis where a trader who may have entered at this level, we see some reversal candlesticks, we see a 200 exponential moving average, prices rallied. There are some technical levels or technical reasons where we'd want to short from here. If we did enter a short position and we put our stop up here, for instance, we can ride all the way down. We can ride until we see reversal signals. As we're moving down, we can also move our entry to break even in case price did spike back up. So those are really important risk management protocols that you don't see in binary options. On something like this type of a setup, you can target, for instance, if you entered here, you could target a move all the way down here, risking just a little bit. You'll get a very favorable reward risk setup, which you wouldn't get in binary options. And at the same time, as price moves, or if it moves in your favor, you can move to break even, which automatically limits your risk. You don't have those options in binary options, which illustrates why it's not really an instrument for trading. It's really just a pure gambling thing. This chart on the screen illustrates sort of where it falls in the realm of speculation. This is the sweet spot. This top part of the blue circle. That's real trading, where you have the stops, the limits, the technical analysis, the moving to break even. Financial betting, there's an element of that in that you can sort of say, oh, I think this price is going to go up, but the risk management controls aren't there. Things that are entirely a game of chance over here, slot machine. That's really where you want to stay away. Skill games and trading are, those are legitimate opportunities. I obviously favor trading, but where there's an element of skill and there's risk management, that's legitimate speculation. That's about it. If you have any questions, want to share your knowledge, join us over at informedtrades.com. Thanks and best of luck in your trading.